Two of the biggest names in antivirus, Norton and Avira. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Norton, the comprehensive security suite built for all-around digital protection. And on the right, Avira, the easy, optimized antivirus with a popular, free option. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we get deep, here's our roadmap for today. We're comparing Norton and Avira on malware protection, performance and optimization, price and plans, extra features, usability and support, and, of course, device coverage. Kinda everything you care about when picking an antivirus, right? Let's kick off with malware protection. Norton? Seriously, this thing is like a bodyguard that never sleeps. It's got that perfect AV test 100% score, and honestly, the real-time proactive defense is nuts. If you're super paranoid, and hey, why not in 2025, Norton's got your back. On the other side, Avira does a solid job. Definitely reliable scans and real-time protection are in there, but in those tricky, brand new zero-day threat tests, it's just a bit less airtight than Norton. Edge here? Yeah, Norton for sure. Next up, let's talk about performance and optimization. Now, Norton is pretty smooth. It won't choke your system, the resource management is efficient, and honestly, you probably won't notice a slowdown. But there's no dedicated PC cleaning tools or battery savers built in. Flip to Avira, and oh, you want optimization? You got it. It's like they hand you not just antivirus, but a full suite. System junk cleaning, battery saver, all the nerdy tools to make your device run like new. Sure, top-tier Avira can cost extra if you want it everywhere, but honestly, those optimization features are game changers. Avira definitely takes this round. What about price and plans? Norton comes stacked, but only if you're ready to, pay up. There's no free tier whatsoever, and the basic plan isn't exactly cheap, but you do get a lot at the upper levels. Now, Avira? Avira is that friend who says, hey, try me out for free. Big plus. Even when you step up to the paid versions, pricing is way more competitive. The catch? The really cool features sit behind the paywall, but at least you get a taste up front. Winner here? Yeah. Hats off to Avira. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Norton actually has a 100% virus protection promise. If they can't get rid of a virus, they literally refund your money. That's pretty wild, right? Time for extra features. And wow, Norton is stacked. There's cloud backup, 50 gigabytes, parental controls, dark web monitoring, webcam protection, identity theft coverage for the US. Honestly, this feels like an entire home security system crammed into your PC. But you only get the good stuff in the fancier packages, which, yeah, is a little annoying. Avira steps up with a built-in VPN, file shredder, and even password breach alerts. But compared side by side, it's just not as all-in as Norton. Missing parental controls, for example. Gotta hand this one to Norton. Let's talk usability and support for a sec. Norton presents itself with a clean, pro interface. Maybe a bit much for basic users, but you do get 24/7 support, which is nice if you run into issues at 2 a.m. Avira keeps things super simple, almost friendly. Honestly, it's one of the easiest dashboards to figure out, and you don't need an IT degree to find stuff. No 24/7 help in the free tier, though. In the end, both have their perks, so this one's a tie. Now, device coverage. If you want to protect your whole tech family, Norton lets you go wild. Unlimited devices on the big plans. And they've made sure it works everywhere. Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, you name it. Just keep in mind, the starter plans are a bit limited. Avira is pretty generous too, up to 25 devices on their Prime plan. Everything major is covered, but the price jumps up as you add more. Still, unlimited will always beat 25. Winner here? Norton. Let's see how all those scores stack up visually. Here's a side-by-side radar chart with Norton and Avira's strengths and quirks laid out. You can really see where each one shines. So honestly, if you want the ultimate in security, features, and all device coverage, Norton is the power pick. But if you care more about keeping your wallet happy, want those device optimization perks, and love a good free trial, Avira might fit you better. Looking for those Best Buy links? Just hit up norton.com or avira.com. You'll get the most up-to-date deals and, who knows, maybe even a free trial to play with.